Okay, ladies and gentlemen, thanks for your patience. Sorry for the delay in getting ready tonight, but now Rory's just got his plane ready. We're just warming up the engine for you. It's 55cc of power in an 80-inch wingspan model. Okay, just going to anchor it for him, then we'll get him airborne for you. That's fine, don't worry about it. That's fine. Yeah, no, it's fine. I won't expect you to walk away from it. Okay, so here we go. So this is 12-year-old Rory. He's second in Britain in the freestyle championships for doing this sort of flying. So a bit like you guys, he's good at the doing some competition stuff. So this particular model is a very aerobatic, as you can see. It's 55cc's worth of power, 88-inch wingspan. It'll fly on this tank of fuel for about 15 minutes. As you can see, very, very agile. Rory's been flying for about 5 years now. So he's very good at a lot of the moves. As you can see, this is his knife edge now as he's coming through for a knife edge for you. From right to left, and pull out. We're lucky tonight to have this nice blue sky over the last week. We've been watching it and it's been windy and raining and whatever, we didn't think it was going to happen, but we're lucky enough to have this lovely evening. So this particular model is worth around about £1,500 in the air. We buy it in kit form, we put it together, it's your choice of engine, a bit like your motorbikes, you spec it to your level. So this is a single cylinder engine with canister on to give it a little bit more power and a carbon 23-inch prop, so nearly 2 foot the propeller on this. We're running this one on a 40-to-1 mix. And we've got 2 needles, one for low end, one for high end. As you can hear, nicely tuned. I'll take the credit for that one. Shortly after this, we're going to send up a big wing, and the big wing's got a camera on it. And it's going to be live streamed to the Facebook page for this place, so might be good to watch. So this move here that Rory's doing now is called a rifle roll. It's very hard to do because you lose a lot of height while it's rolling, because it loses a lot of speed. Just do a nice big loop for you now. Hang in the middle. Okay, Rory's going to try and do what we call a prop hang, which is where the plane goes stationary in the air and it just balances on the engine. It shows you how much power it's got. So there it is, stationary in the air, just on the weight of the prop now as he pulls out. This is what we call a rolling Harrier. Loads of inputs, all 4 axes on the model. This model's got elevator, ailerons, rudder and throttle control, so he's got to think of all them at once. Perfect timing to get this right. Wrong input, it'll all end in tears. And I can tell you from experience, these things fill up about 6 bin bags. Okay, I think he's got another couple of minutes to show off to you. like to thank you all for inviting us along as well to entertain you while you eat your pizzas from the stone pizza man at the top there. So I think this is almost better than Britain's Got Talent, isn't it? What is it? Okay, do you want to get it down there? I'll do a wave. Go past, do a wave. Okay, Rory's going to come round now and do his final for you. Give you a little wave from the wings. Do you want to wave at him, guys, in the audience? There he goes. Okay, so he's going to have to land from over the trees. I'll be quiet while he concentrates here. Keep it going, 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 keep it going. That's perfect. Lovely. Cut the engine. Beautiful. Well done. Look at that. Beautiful. Thank you very much. I think Rory deserves a round of applause. That's 12-year-old Rory. Thank you very much, everybody. Thank you. Well done, Rory. That was excellent flying. I used to be better than him. Not anymore. Okay, we're going to get the plane set up now. It's a massive wing, 2-metre wing, and it's got a camera on it. So if you're on the Facebook streaming for this place, then you can watch it and you can see probably you lot from the sky. Give us 2 minutes. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Right, now we're going to take off a 2-metre wing. This has got a camera on it, which is onto the Facebook page of the British Motorbike thing, so you can watch it live. We're live streaming now, so if you can get onto that page, you'll be able to see it yourselves from the sky. So we're going to turn this off for a sec while I launch it, and then we'll come back to it in a minute. Lovely. Wipe just out, yeah. Ready? Not good. Definitely needs going to wind. Ready? Definitely it's got going to wind. Ah? That's all right. Yeah, you're not. No, because you're not hitting it. You're not getting on the power quick enough. Try about the wingtips. Do full up. Full power. You chuck it. Okay, put the mic on.
You happy there, yeah?
Yep. Oh, there you go. No, he calls himself a pro, and Dad has to launch it. Never mind. Okay, so here we go. A little bit of damage on it, but it's still flying. So this has got a camera on it, as I keep saying. Live streaming down. So I'm just going to do some nice big circuits, and we'll get a nice picture. So this is electric powered. 12-volt battery again. It'll glide around. I'm going to glide right over you guys over there so we can come in from behind and get a nice picture. I recently took this one down to the seaside, down to Yarmouth Wizards, and we had it right up the coast to Caister. I can wear goggles with this and actually fly it like I'm on board it. So it's pretty good fun. And come in nice and low down the straight.
Do a pass coming straight towards us. Go out quite far and do a pass straight towards us.
Well, I'm going to go over the back, over to right out in front of us to your right, and I'm coming from behind, from the back of the campsite. So give it a wave as we come through. Okay, so from behind the campsite, looking down at you, every wave. That's it, I hope we got that on the Facebook. Let's do some loops and that for Facebook to make them feel sick at home. Hope you're enjoying your pizzas over there. Can't wait to get my hands on mine. Don't pack up yet, Mr. Stonebake, will you?
A bit of free one. You paid for advertising. Agile for a pusher, isn't it?
Okay, I'm going to go up right up high over there and then do one final pass and we get it down. Rory just told me that he really enjoyed his flight with the 50, so he wants to fly that for you again, if that's all right.
Fly.
Okay, believe it or not, this one will fly. Oh, believe it or not, this will fly up to around about 1,000 foot. Is it working? Up to about 1,000 foot. This will fly up to about 1,000 foot, even though I'm actually only allowed to go to 400. Hopefully we've still got a picture over there. Okay, one more from the right, and then we're going to land.
Are you landing from over where Rory landed
Yeah.
from? You can put it on the grass.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Hopefully the landing's going to be better than the takeoff.
Should shut this off now.
Yeah. There you go, thankfully down in one piece. Thank you everybody. Okay, right, give us another couple of minutes and then Rory's going to take his big one up again for you just before we lose the light. And then we're going to have probably a 10-15 minute break while we get something to eat. And then I've got some planes with some lights on to show you a little bit later when it gets a bit darker. So yeah, give us a few minutes. Cheers. Okay, here we go again with Rory with his 50cc model. He's going to do a couple of minutes and then I'm going to have a little go for a couple of minutes. So he's just taxiing out now, we're just warming up the engine. Turn it on rudder then. Well, turn it around, Rory. Okay, Facebook followers, this is the last flight for Rory this evening in the daylight before we get our night models out. As you can see, he's enjoying himself. Doing his loops and rolls. This model is supplied by Global RC, which is a company based in Wellingborough, which supplies us with all these type of models and all our engines and what have you. Hope you're enjoying this in the comfort of your home. Nice knife edge pass. Oh, he's into a rolling loop. Lovely job. Right, so Rory's just doing his last flight with this plane tonight. He's just practicing his rifle rolls. That's what his favourite. Come over from America, that move. They all try and do it, all the stunt flyers. As you can see, he's got plenty of power there from that 55cc engine. The model weighs around about 17 pounds. So the power to rate is pretty massive. It's got 75 pounds worth of carbon propeller on the front, as I said before, just under 2 foot. All the electrics in this is LiPo powered, a lot of power in the radio, so all the servos, they're pulling around about 25 kilo each on each surface. And that's operated by 7.4 batteries in there to make it do its bits, and then obviously the engine pulls it around. Rory's actually also took part in a TV programme called Armageddon. I don't know if anybody saw that, it was on ITV2, where it was flying drones and what have you, and you had to do some racing around there. We've done really well at that as well. I actually took part in a competition on TV called Britain's Got Talent about 3 years ago myself, where I flew a model plane over the stage. I got the 4 yeses from the judges, so that's pleased me. God, you just wouldn't want to be in that, would you? Blimey. He said to me at the beginning of the flight, I only want to do a couple of minutes, you can do the next 2 minutes, but I think he's enjoying it too much now. In for a low knife edge by the looks of it. Believe it or not, the guys that do this sport, they take it as seriously as you guys with your motorbikes. We go to competitions exactly the same as you. Looking at your campsite, we've got a caravan and the van and what have you, exactly the same. But instead of the pits being full of motorbikes, it's full of model aeroplanes, can you believe? But in the sky they're all at battle, but exactly the same as you lot. In the evening it's all friends and having some fun. Do some nice big like aeros now, mate. Just do some real smooth, like low, you know, like smooth rolls and big loops and that, so they understand the moves, and then we'll get it down. Okay, Rory's going to do about another minute now. He's going to do some really nice smooth stuff for you now, just some nice smooth aeros just to finish off his flight. Obviously we're losing the sun behind us, so the model goes a bit silhouette-y. So do some nice long, slow rolls. How about a nice big loop, Rory?
At some point, we're just going to go.
Oh, you're beeping then, right now. Okay, so now his alarm's gone, his controller saying that we need to land. We're getting a little bit low on fuel. So now he's coming down for the last time tonight with this model. Just get it right over the hut. I can tell you from experience, this is proper hard landing in an area like this where you've got trees and little runway. So he's done, there he is. That's called the textbook landing in our world. So give Rory a round of applause and thank you for watching for a minute. Do you want to grab it?